This is the new 1840 I just got. It's got 2,600 hours. The original owner had it for the last 20 years. Put pretty much all the hours on it. There's going to be a playlist on this. If you follow the channel, you're going to see a lot of upcoming videos on this case. So if you're looking for tips on how to fix it, or just what's going on with the machine and how I'm maintaining it, go ahead and check out the playlist I'm going to create. I'm going to be cleaning this whole entire machine up and basically tuning it up and doing lots of different stuff to it. Also before and after I finish cleaning it all up. But just wanted to let you guys know there will be a new playlist coming up. And this is basically what this machine looks like right now. And I'm actually starting to clean out some of the stuff on the underside in the bin right here that hasn't been cleaned out in like 20 years. You can see all this stuff in here. So anyway, it's the start of the playlist. Stay tuned for more.